Good morning to one and all. We already studied the third chapter, polynomials. So polynomials means what said, if an algebraic expression with a non-negative integer as exponent, then it is called a polynomial set. If the degree of the polynomial is 1, then it is called linear polynomial set. So if a polynomial to equal to 0, then that is called equation. So a linear equation in one variable, linear equation in one variable, that means a polynomial ax plus b is equal to 0, then it is a linear equation. Here a and b are constants, x is variable. Okay, and degree of this polynomial is 1. So it is linear equation in one variable. If we want to say linear equation in two variables, then the general form is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers. And here at least a or b is not equal to 0. That means a square plus b square is not equal to 0. Then it is called a linear equation in two variables. So here a, b, c are the constants, real numbers, x, y are variables. Okay, if we want to say linear equation in two variables with two equations, then we can take as a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. In both cases a1 square plus b1 square is not equal to 0, and here a2 square plus b2 square is not equal to 0. Then these are called linear equations in two variables with a pair. Okay, so now these system of linear equations are solved by three methods. So one is graphical method, another one is model method, and the third one is algebraic method. Now in that algebraic method there have three another, that is one is substitution method, and another one is elimination method, and the third one is cross multiplication method. So for solving a pair of system of linear equations through these methods we solving. So this all will be discussed in the chapter pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, that is our new chapter. So some system of pair of linear equations now we solve by using graphical method. Here given the problem, represent the following system of equation graphically and comment on solutions. So we have to solve the given problems through graphically, and how are the solutions we have to comment that one. So for that purpose, given the first problem, x minus 2y equal to 0, 3x plus 4y equal to 20. So first problem to solve it. So x minus 2y equal to 0. So for different x values we get different y values. So x and y value we finding, now y equal to, so minus 2y transfer to this side plus 2y, and y equal to that multiplication to transfer to this side division, that means x by 2, and the point we taking, that is nothing but xy. So here that is x minus 2y equal to 0. From this x equal to minus 2y transferring plus 2y. Now y equal to multiplication to transfer to this side division. So x by 2. That is only here we written. Okay. Now we taking different x values. Then for that we get different y values. So one point is one positive, negative and 0 substituting. So one negative point minus 6. So x value is minus 6. Then y equal to minus 6 by 2. That means minus 3. If x value is 0 substituting, 0 by 2 equal to 0 only. Now if we substitute a different x value, that is 8. Now 8 equal to, so 8 by 2 means that is nothing but 4. Okay, and if we substituting a value 4, so 4 means 4 by 2, so the y value is 2. Now the points writing, minus 6 comma 3, minus 6 comma minus 3, 0 comma 0, 8 comma 4 and 4 comma 2. Now the second equation, 3x plus 4y equal to 20 taking. So 3x plus 4y equal to 20. Same before model only, for different x values we get different y values. So here for x what happened, y, observing x, now y equal to, so 3x plus 4y equal to 20 given. So we want to find y value, so plus 20 transferred to plus 3x transferring to that side minus 3x, so 4y equal to 20 minus 3x. Now multiplication for transfer to this side, that is division, y equal to 20 minus 3x by 4. Okay, now here for substituting different x values we get different y values. So y equal to 20 minus 3x by 4. Next x y. So if we want to substitute minus 4, then what happened? So minus 3 into minus 4, that equal to plus 12, 12 plus 20, 12 plus 20 equal to 32, 32 by 4 means 8. So minus 4 substitute, 8 coming. If we want to substitute 0, 0 substituting, so 3 into 0, 0, 20 minus 0 equal to 20, 20 by 4 equal to 5. If we substitute 0, then its corresponding y coordinate is 5. If we want to substitute 4, then 3 4s are 12, 20 minus 12 equal to 8. 8 by 4 is nothing but 2. Okay, if I substitute 8, 8 3 ja 24. So 20 minus 24 equal to minus 4. Minus 4 by 4 means minus 1. So here the points are, we get minus 4 to 8, 0 to 5, 4 to 2, 8 to minus 1. Okay, now these points are locating graph. For that purpose, here we observe a normal numbers came. So we taking on that x-axis and y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit only we taking. Okay, now here if we taken the locate the points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The left side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 negative numbers, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, and that horizontal to above one are positive by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. The downside negative numbers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. Now we locating the points. So first this one solve. Minus 6 to minus 3. So x-axis to minus 6, y-axis to minus 3. So here the points. Next, if x-axis 0, then the y-axis is also 0. So the coordinates of x-axis is 0, y-axis is 0, that is nothing but origin. Next, for that x coordinate 8, corresponding y coordinate is 4. So before that one, if x coordinate is 4, then y coordinate is 2 there. So that will be taking. If x coordinate 4, y coordinate is 2. So here the point. And the next one, if x coordinate 8, y coordinate is 4. So if x coordinate 8, y coordinate is 4. So here the points. Now if the points all are joining, then we get a straight line. So that is x minus 2y equal to 0. Next, the second linear equation 3x plus 4y equal to 22 locating on that graph. So the first point minus 4, minus 8. So if the x coordinate is minus 4, then the corresponding y coordinate is plus 8. So here the points. Next, if x coordinate is 0, corresponding y coordinate is 5, 0, 5. Next one, if x coordinate is 4, then its corresponding y coordinate is 2. So if x coordinate is 4, then the corresponding y coordinate is 2. Next, if x coordinate is 8, its corresponding y coordinate is minus 1. So 8 means its corresponding y coordinate is minus 1. Now if we join all the points, now here also we get a linear equation, and it is a straight line. Now that equation is 3x plus 4y equal to 20. Now if we observe both the equations are met at 4, 2 points. Okay, in that graph solving time also, if we observe here 4 2 came, so both the pair of linear equations are met at 4 comma 2 means that is the solution. So solution of this problem 4 comma 2, and it will be met at one point only. So it has one means that is called unique. So it has unique solution. Okay, and here given another problem, x plus y equal to 2, 2x plus 2y equal to 4. So this system of equations to graphically we have to solve. So the first equation, x plus y equal to 2, taking x plus y equal to 2. So for different x values we get different y values. So x y equal to and x y. If x plus y equal to 2, then we can write y equal to this plus x transfer to that side minus x, that is 2 minus x. So y equal to 2 minus x, that is the point. So for same before problem model only, we substituting a negative and 0 and a positive term. So if we substitute a negative term, that is minus 8, so 2 minus of minus 8, that is nothing but minus into minus means plus. So 2 plus 8 equal to 10. So minus 8 to 10. Next, if we substitute 0, so 2 minus 0 equal to 2 only. So 0 to 2. Next, if we substitute a positive term, that is 6. So 2 minus 6, that is nothing but minus 4. So 6 to, that is minus 4. These were the points for x plus y equal to 2 equation 2. Now the second equation, that is given here, 2x plus 2y equal to 4. So 2x plus 2y equal to 4. So for this equation 2, if we taking corresponding x values, some y values we getting. So what is the solution? First, 2x plus 2y equal to 4. We want to find y value. So plus 2x transfer to that side, that is minus 2x. So 4 minus 2x. Now y equal to 4 minus 2x, multiplication to transferring, that is nothing but division. So y equal to 4 minus 2x by 2. Okay, now we substituting different x values. So if I substitute minus 8, so minus 2 into minus 8 equal to, that is plus 16. 16 by 4, 16 plus 4, 16 plus 4 is nothing but 20. 20 by 2 equal to 10. So minus 8 to 10. Next, if I want to substitute 0, so 2 into 0, that is 0. So 4 minus 0 equal to 4. 4 by 2 equal to 2. So 0 to 2. Next, if I want to substitute a positive number, that is 6. So now 2 into 6 equal to 12. 4 minus 12 equal to minus 8. Minus 8 by 2 equal to minus 4. So for that 6, corresponding y coordinate is minus 4 came. Now these points locating on that graph, we get the solution. So here also normal numbers only. So we have to taking on x axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit only, and on y axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit only. Now locating the points minus 8 to 10. So minus 8 to positive number 10 there. Next, 0 to 2 there, for 0 2 there. Next for 6 minus 4 there, so for 6 corresponding y coordinate is minus 4. Now if we join the points, here we get a straight line, so that is x plus y equal to 2. For the second linear equation to 2x plus 2y equal to 4 to locating points, minus 8 to 10, so minus 8 to 10, so that is also same point only. Next 0 to 2, 0 to 2, same point only. 6 to minus 4, 6 to minus 4, that is also same point. So both points are same only. That means on that line each and every point is a solution. Okay, so here both lines are same, so the system of equations has infinitely many solutions. Okay, now if we observe the problem, x plus y equal to 2 given, and the second one 2x plus 2y equal to 4 given. Now if we observe the second linear equation, now second linear equation to, if we observe the LHS 2x plus 2y, in the 2 is the common number, if we taking common 2, now it is 2 into x plus y equal to 4. Now multiplication to transferring this side, that is nothing but division, so x plus y equal to 4 by 2 equal to 2. So that means it is nothing but the first linear equation only came. Okay, that means both the equations are same only, that purpose only we get the same solution. And here given the another one is 2x minus y equal to 4 and 4x minus 2y equal to 6. Now this system of equations to also show the result as graphically. So the first equation taking, that is nothing but 2x minus y equal to 4. So for different x values we get different y values. So x y equal to x y. So here 2x minus y equal to 4 given, we want to find y value, so this minus y transferring this side to, that is nothing but plus y, and plus 4 transfer to this side, that is minus 4, 2x minus 4, so y equal to 2x minus 4. Now substituting different x values, same before model only, one negative, one positive, 0 substituting. So if x equal to minus 2, so 2 into minus 2, that is nothing but minus 4, minus 4 minus 4, so both are negative numbers, so we want to do addition, so that is 8, but here minus symbol, so we keeping minus symbol, so that is nothing but minus 8. Now we substitute a positive number 0, so 2 into 0, 0, 0 minus 4 is minus 4. Okay, next a positive number substituting, that is 6. Now 6 2 ja 12, 12 minus 4 equal to 8. So for different x values we get different y values, so minus 2 to minus 8, and 0 to minus 4, and 6 to 8. Okay, now for the second linear equation that is taking 4x minus 2y equal to 6. Now this to write x y equal to and x y. So for that given problem 4x minus 2y equal to 6. Now here also this minus 2y transferring the side, that is plus 2y. So plus 2y, and multiply this addition 6 transferring this side, that is subtraction. So 4x minus 6. Now multiplication to transfer to this side, that is nothing but division. So y equal to 4x minus 6 by 2. So y equal to 4x minus 6 by 2. So now for substituting different x values we get different y values. So first x value substituting as minus 2. So 4 into minus 2 equal to minus 8. So minus 8 minus 6, that is minus 14. Minus 14 by 2 equal to minus 7. Next, if x value 0 substituting, so 4 into 0, 0, 0 minus 6 equal to minus 6, minus 6 by 2 equal to minus 3. Next, if x value substituting as 6, so 4 6 ja 24, 24 minus 6, 24 minus 6 equal to, that is 18, 18 by 2 equal to 9. So now the points are minus 2 comma minus 7, 0 to minus 3 and 6 to 9. Now we locating these 2 points on that graph. So first equation one observing minus 2 to minus 8. So if x coordinate is minus 2, then its corresponding y coordinate is minus 8. Next, for that x coordinate 0, we get minus 4. So if x coordinate is 0, its corresponding y coordinate is minus 4. If x coordinate is 6, its corresponding y coordinate is 8. 6 to 8. Next, if we join these points, we get a straight line. That is 2x minus y equal to 4. Next, for that second equation 4x minus 2y equal to 6 to substituting the points. So locating minus 2 to minus 7. So for corresponding minus 2 to minus 7. So minus 2 to minus 7. Next, for 0 to minus 3. For 0 to minus 3 and 6 to 9. For that 6 to 9. Now if we join these points, now it is 4x minus 2y equal to 6. 4x minus 2y equal to 6. So now both one observe, both lines are not coincide at any point and both were look like parallel lines. So this problem has no solution. So it has no solution. The given pair of equations are parallel. Okay.